Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. As you can see, today's video is going to be a DIY nail tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, you guys know that you always want to start with clean nails. Make sure that your cuticles are pushed back and that your natural nails have been filed down nice and clean. I just finished buffing my nails so that it gives my natural nails a rougher surface so that the fake nails will stick to my natural nails a lot better. So these are the nails I'm going to be using today. You can find these at Amazon, and this whole little set right here is $7.99. I'll make sure I leave that link in the description box below. So I'm just going to go through and go ahead and fit the nails to each one of my nails to find my complete set. Alright, so this is my set right here. I'm using my favorite glue, which is the pink gel kiss glue. I'm going to go ahead and add it to my natural nail first. And then add just a little drop to the fake nail. Go ahead and push it down to the cuticle and let it chill there for a minute. Make sure it's straight before I push it down. And once I get it straightened, then I go ahead and push it down and hold it for about 10 seconds. And then I'll just continue doing that with each finger. So you already know from my previous nail videos that if you have any, leakage from the glue coming out on the side of the nails, you just get some fingernail polish remover and go ahead and just wipe it off on the sides. Okay, yeah, so now since I have all my nails applied, I'm going to go ahead and take this nail file, and if you can see, like at the tips of each nail there's just like a little piece sticking out. And I'm just going to go ahead and file those down nice and smooth and even with the tip of the nail. Alright, so now it's time to paint, and I got this super cute polish from Dollar Tree. It's the LA Colors Color Craze nail polish, and it's number 517, and it's just a cute like nude color with like a slight pink tint to it. I've used Dollar Tree nail polishes before, and they're pretty legit. So, and they have a variety of colors, all different kind of brands and whatnot. So when I saw this one, I was actually trying to get like a cute like baby pink, not baby pink, like a bubblegum color, and they didn't have that, so This was probably the closest to what I was looking for. Alright y'all, so I'm done polishing. I'm gonna go ahead and let them sit for a couple minutes and let them dry.
1 hour later.
Okay, I'll say all dry. Next I'm gonna take this white polish and add some thin white lines around the perimeter of the nail. And I ordered some of the nail art brushes for fine lines. They haven't arrived yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these brush on nail art brushes. I'm just gonna take it out. I'm gonna clean it with some fingernail polish remover and use this to apply the white to my tips. So I'm just taking this thin brush and I'm just doing thin lines on each side of the nail. My right hand always looks so much worse than my left hand. Alright, it's just gonna have to do. I'm just gonna leave it alone because if I keep messing with it, it's gonna get worse. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this Kiss Gel Shine Top Coat. I also got this from Dollar Tree. So of course y'all know that once they're all dry, you want to go in, clean up around your nail bed and around the edges of your nails, and just clean up any polish that has like spilled over, or you know, where you made a mistake or whatever. You want to just go ahead and clean all of that up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment box below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you go ahead and do so. Make sure that your post notifications are turned on so that you are notified first when I post new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.